Hey, this is Chef Chris for the Fisherman's Dock here at Beacon Kitchen, and today we're gonna be doing tuna poke. Here we have our fresh yellowfin tuna fresh from the Fisherman's Dock. Now, tuna is available year-round, but it does really depend on the weather. The grade of tuna is also important. There's several different grades, sushi grade being the highest. And this is what we want when we're using raw applications in tuna, such as sushi or poke. Let's get into it. First, we're gonna start by cutting our tuna. So we have our fillets, and we're looking for about 1/2-inch cubes. So first, I'm gonna fillet these in half. And now I'm just going to cube them up. 1/2-inch cubes would be about bite size. In case you don't want to get a ruler out, go for bite size. Now add our tuna to a bowl, and let's go through the rest of the ingredients. Sea grapes, which are available in most online markets. Hawaiian seaweed, known as ogo. This has to be reconstituted. Fresh avocado, pineapple, mango, lime juice, sweet onions, scallions, wasabi, sesame oil, soy sauce, Hawaiian sea salt with a little bit of chili pepper in it, sesame seeds, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So let's make our poke. We're gonna add pineapple and mango. About half of the Hawaiian seaweed and about half of the sea grapes. Sesame seeds, Hawaiian sea salt with chili, sweet onions, scallions, sesame oil, olive oil, soy sauce, and a little bit of black pepper. Last but not least, our lime juice. You don't want to use too much lime juice, as the mango and the pineapple both have acids in them. You don't want to over acidify this dish. Next, we're gonna take our hands and we're just gonna lightly toss this. You kinda have to break the seaweed up a little bit as it tends to stay in clumps. And we wanna make sure we have enough in each bite. Now I'm gonna show you how to cut an avocado. We're going for slices here. So we're gonna start by taking our knife in the front of and going down into the pit and then turning. Once we've had a 360-degree cut, we twist, and that breaks our avocado open. One side will still have the pit. Take the knife and twist. The pit comes right out. Now, if you're going for dice, you do one extra step, but we're not. We're going for slices. So we take our knife and we go just until we feel the skin. And there we have our slices. Now, if you're going to make dice or chunks, you would do the same as you would for slice, but then you would turn it 45 degrees and come back in. Let's plate it up. If you're doing an entree with this poke, generally you would put this with rice. So I have some prepared jasmine rice. A scoop of rice on the bottom, not too much. Then our poke mixture. Man, that looks good. You have to be careful when using sesame oil. You don't want to overpower it. It has a very, very strong flavor to it. This recipe only calls for about a teaspoon, but you can smell it all over the place. Now with the spoon, we insert into the top of the avocado, coming around the sides in a scooping motion. And out come our slices. Then we carefully fan the avocado. Just like that. We're gonna finish the dish with a little bit of wasabi. I'm just gonna take it, put it on the outsides of the bowl, and with my spoon, kind of smear it around. That way, when I get a bite, I can just come out the outside of the bowl and I can get just a little bit of that wasabi. At the same time, it adds a nice little texture to our bowl. We're gonna finish with a little more sesame seed, a bit of the ogo on top, and some of the sea grapes. And there we have our ahi tuna poke bowl. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And for this recipe and more, check out thefishermansdock.com. Thanks for watching.